S&P 500 Index Daily Forecast, August 21st, fxempire.com. The S&P 500 Index had a fairly interesting session on Monday as it initially fell, only to turn around and bounce to form a hammer. This is much like many of the other indices around the world, not only the ones we cover, but many others. And as such, it has caught our eye that we are starting to see this channel perhaps being tested for a breakout. Let us not forget that 1425 was the recent highs back in April. That was the start of the fall that got us down to 1280. If we break out over that, that would be significant. And forming a hammer for the session certainly suggests that we are going to attempt that. Because of this, a daily close above 1425 gets us really bullish of U.S. stocks in general. S&P 500 futures would be interesting to go long, and of course higher beta names, perhaps things like banks even, for the first time in what seems like ages. There are obviously better stocks out there than others, but the easiest way, of course, would be to play it via the futures or perhaps even an SPY type EFT or ETF, such as the SPY. It gives you broad exposure. We think, though, that this breakout is almost imminent. Even if we get a pullback, 1400 looks very supportive at this point. So we are bullish. We don't even have a scenario right now where we start selling the S&P.